Hi, I'm Belinda and I'm going to show you how to make your own natural face cream formula today, quickly, easily and confidently with the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First, let's select the cream. Now in this formula, I've decided I'd like to make a nice honey and vanilla cream today, and I want it to be really hydrating for dry skin types. So I'm going to select honey as a water alternative. Next, I'm going to use some glycerin for its suppleness and humectancy benefits, and some xanthan gum as my gum selection. I'm going to pick glyceryl stearate citrate as my anionic emulsifier, and this will give it a really nice creamy viscosity. And some Olive M1000 for a really lovely skin feel. Because I want a cream form, I'm going to increase this just slightly to 5%. Now I'm going to pick some oily substances. I'm going to pick some coconut oil because I think that really fits in with the honey and vanilla theme really well. I'm also going to pick some caprylic caprylic triglycerides so my product is moisturising but doesn't feel too greasy. And I'm going to pair this with some shea butter so I've got a beautiful, creamy, rich feeling moisturiser that's not greasy on application but wonderfully hydrating. I'm balancing out my oils that I've added so that I get a nice medium skin feel without it feeling too greasy, but still plenty of those natural oils and butters. I'm going to use Naticide as my preservative because it's got an almondy type aroma that's going to fit the honey vanilla story really well. Now I'm going to pick some vanilla oleoresin. And I only need a small input of this material because I have my Naticide that's also going to give a lovely aroma to the product. I want to pick a superfruit extract just to add to my product story. So I'm going to pick the acai fruit extract. And finally, I'm going to pick some antioxidant and use quite a high input based on what's recommended to give a lot of extra antioxidant benefits to this formula. I'm not adding any other extracts at this stage because I've got plenty of great ingredients in this formula already. Now I'm going to click on Generate Method, and here's my formula and method to put the product together. Now come join me in the lab while I show you how to put this all together. Well, there you go. That's just how easy it is to create a natural face cream using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. You can pick and choose your own ingredients and make a product that's truly unique to you. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave any questions or comments below, and make sure you subscribe to Create Cosmetics Formulas for unlimited formula creation. Happy formulating!